The Tbilisi metro stations differ significantly in their character, each of which reflects the fruitfulness of the common creative efforts of architects and designers. The architectural and structural design of the stations is original and laconic. The Marjanishvili metro station is built into the first floor of the administrative building, and the underground station is made in an arched style. The underground hall of Marjanishvili metro station creates a festive mood. Its massive pylons on both sides contain granite benches, both comfortable and decorative. Marjanishvili station was opened on January 11, 1966 and became part of the Akhmeteli-Varketili line. Kote Marjanishvili was a famous theater and film director, after whom the metro station was named. The Tbilisi metro became the fourth in the former USSR after the Moscow, Leningrad and Kyiv. Tbilisi metro is the pride of Georgia. Good luck to all of you.